Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's fast-paced tutorial, we're going to dive into how to effectively use Trello's desktop app, your go-to tool for project management in 2025. To start, download and install Trello's desktop app from the official website. The reason we do this is that the desktop version offers enhanced features and offline accessibility, better than the web version. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Trello credentials. If you don't have one, quickly sign up. Remember, having a Trello account is crucial because it's your passport to accessing all Trello's excellent project management capabilities. Next up, let's create your first board. Click on the plus sign on the top right corner and select Create Board. Boards are like your project headquarters, where you create and manage all your tasks. Now that we've created a board, let's add lists. Click on Add a List and name it. Lists represent different stages of your project, helping to keep your tasks organized. You can create as many lists as you want, such as To Do, In Progress, Completed, and so on. With the lists in place, it's time to add cards. Click Add a Card under the appropriate list and write your task. Cards are the heart of Trello because they hold the details of each task. You can move cards between lists as you progress with your tasks, giving you a clear visual overview of your project's status. Lastly, don't forget to explore the menu on the right. Here, you can add members, labels, checklists, due dates, and more to your cards. This helps us because it enhances our project tracking and collaboration capabilities, making project management a breeze. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Trello's desktop app like a pro. Remember, the key is to experiment and learn as you go, making the most of Trello's flexible features. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.